Namaskar, I am Dr. Kumar Rai, MSCNT from Coimbatore. It is my honor to be a part of this hearing awareness campaign run by Mataram Welfare Foundation and Entered Farming to spread awareness during National Hearing Week, which is from 3rd to 9th March 2025. I am here to talk about the preventable causes of hearing loss. Most common cause of preventable hearing loss is noise-induced hearing loss. It is caused due to prolonged exposure to loud sounds or noise. Now, the prevalence of noise-induced hearing loss has increased in the past few decades because of the excessive use of headphones and earphones by adolescents and adults. According to experts, a rule known as the 60-60 rule, which states that exposure to 60% of maximum volume for no more than 60 minutes a day is the only acceptable amount of exposure that does not cause permanent hearing loss. For prevention, again, it decrease use of earphones according to the 60-60 rule and use of earplugs in case of high volume surroundings like DJs, fireworks, factories. Now, the second most common cause of preventable hearing loss is recurrent ear infections. The leading cause is otitis media with diffusion or glue ear, which is also the most common cause in children. Now, चलने देगा अनुमति कीजिएगा. Okay. Also, symptoms like ear discharge, decreased hearing, earache, and pre-existing perforation in eardrum could indicate otitis media, more specifically chronic otitis media. The problem in our country is that all these symptoms go unnoticed. So, these early detection of this disease can cause prevention of hearing loss. Third most common cause of preventable hearing loss is recurrent upper respiratory tract infections. This causes eustachian tube dysfunction. This causes eustachian tube dysfunction, which is a tube that goes from the ear to the nose. Symptoms such as nasal discharge, nasal blockage, nasal bleeding, headache could indicate sinusitis as a result of the recurrent upper respiratory tract infections, which would in turn lead to hearing loss. Hope I was of help.